Hello everybody, welcome to today's class. We'll come to know about Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. That means save the girl child, educate the girl child. I would like to start with a old saying that when you educate a man, an individual is educated. When you educate a woman, whole family is educated. Coming back to this class, today we'll come to know about AIM, campaigning AIM to address the issue of declining child sex ratio image, strategies employed to successfully carry out the campaigning. Aim of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign is to prevent gender bias sex selective elimination. What this means? When parents come to know when the unborn child in the womb is a girl child, they selectively eliminate or abortion that girl child. What a terrific situation, you imagine. Next is to ensure and protect of the girl child. Third is to ensure education and participation of the girl child. This Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign, it is a campaign of the Government of India that aims to generate awareness and improve the efficiency of welfare services intended for girls in India. Female feticide has led to sharp drop in ratio of girl born in contrast to boys infants in some state in India. Ultrasound technology has made it possible for pregnant women and their families to learn the gender of the fetus early in the pregnancy. Discrimination against girl infants for several reasons has combined with the technology to result in rise in abortions of fetus identified as female during ultrasonic testing. Why this and all a campaign has taken place? There is a reason. What is that reason? Means the trends first noticed where the result in 1991 national census were released. It is confirmed to be worsening problem when the result of 2000 national census were released. The reduction in female population of certain Indian state countries to worsen as a result of 2011 national census have shown. It has been observed that the trend is most pronounced in relatively prosperous region of India. The dowry system in India is often blamed. The expectations that a large dowry must be provided for daughters in order for them to marry is frequently cited as a major cause of the problem. Pressure for parents to provide large dowries for their daughters is most intense in prosperous states where high standard of living and modern consumerism are more prevalent in Indian society. This campaign aims to address the issue of declining child sex ratio image and is a national initiative jointly run by Minister of Women and Child Development and the Minister of Health and Family Welfare and the Minister of Human Resource Development. It initially focused on multi-sectors action in 100 districts throughout the country where there is low child sex ratio. Strategies employed to successfully carry out this scheme are implementation of sustained social mobilization, communication campaign to create equal value for the girl child and promote her education. Place the issue of decline in children's sex ratio at birth in public discourse, improvement of which would be an indicator for good governance. Focus on gender critical districts and cities. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign is also supported by Indian Medical Association. These are the few pictures which indicate the girl child which has to be improved. This has been expressed by some of your cadets, and you can also make this drawing and put or express your feelings. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. I would like to revise this. Here, the problem in India is that when a parent come to know that it is a girl child in the womb itself, they remove it or abortion it because they feel that girl child is a burden. Why? Because they have to give large amount of dowry at the time of marriage, and this is one of the major problem. And for this, the government has taken many initiatives and made many laws to improve the life or social structure of a girl child by giving them or campaigning and to have a proper sex ratio between male child and a girl child. By banning revealing of sex before the baby is born and implementing heavy fines on the doctors and putting them in jail also, and giving equal opportunities to girl in all sectors and even giving them reservation wherever there is possible. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can call me or you can text me. Thank you very much.